Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to take an order and make a payment using credit card and tips. First, let's take an order. I'll choose wings. 20 wings, extra blue cheese. From here, we can pay from the order screen, or we can pay from view tickets. I'll choose to pay from the order screen. But before we make a payment, I want to point out a few features of version 5. Notice that the tender type, in this case credit card, is already selected for you. This is a default setting and can be changed in Office Manager. If a credit card is not present, you can check this box and it will ask you for the credit card number on the credit card device, and you can key it in manually. The payment amount is noted here for credit card price, which is $20.48, which includes the 79-cent non-cash adjustment fee. Now let's press pay and capture the card. Notice in the detail section, we now have a pre-authorized transaction which we either can hold or finalize. To add a tip immediately, touch the transaction. You'll have the options to void the payment or finalize the transaction. Choosing finalize allows you to add a tip to the order. Once that's finished, it's all dismissed. In view tickets, if an order has not been finalized, it displays pending, signifying that that needs to receive a tip and be closed out. Let's do that now. Select the transaction and press the pay button. Finalize, touching the detail. And the order is closed. To review the payment information on a closed order, display closed tickets, choose the order you want to display, and press pay. The detail will demonstrate what has been paid and what the tip was and what the non-cash adjustment amount was on the order.